we are going to talk about the classification of Indian tribes. So first point is from the viewpoint of geographical habitat. Okay, तो north south east region માં કયા places છે, central region માં કયા places છે, south region માં કયા places છે. Please read all the names given, learn all. Okay, but exam ma write what you remember, the names. Okay, there are places na names are given, please go through that. Proportion of tribal population also, it's just divided into two parts, that is regions of state with least population and with the highest population. The next that I'm going to talk about is the culture. Okay, Dr. Virayan Elvil, Professor Das and Social Worker Council have classified tribals from the viewpoint of culture. Dr. Virayan Elvin had mentioned 4 divisions of tribal from the culture perspective. Okay, so classification પહેલા આપણે geographical area ના હિસાબથી કર્યું, second population ના હિસાબથી scheduled tribes ને classify કર્યા, and then last is the culture. Okay, so what are they telling you? Dr. Virayan Elvil, Professor Das અને બીજા social worker ના group पे, council એટલે group, એક કલ્ચરમાં આવી ફર્સ્ટ ડિવિઝન, સેકન્ડ ડિવિઝન, થર્ડ ડિવિઝન અને ફોર્થ ડિવિઝનના બેસિસ ઉપર they have divided. First division, this includes tribes with joint land holdings. They live in a very backward life and feel scared in coming out in contact with unknown people. Muria of Batsar and Bodo and Jung of Orissa are such tribes. So these tribes have joint land holdings. Joint land holdings એટલે એ લોકોનો જે land હોય ને એ કમ્બાઇન્ડ હોય બીજા લોકો સાથે, મતલબ કે એક લેન્ડ હશે મોટો, એ મોટા લેન્ડની અંદર તે એ લોકોએ ડિવિઝન કર્યા હશે કે આ પર્ટિક્યુલર ફેમિલી આ લેન્ડ ઉપર કલ્ટિવેશન કરશે, આ પર્ટિક્યુલર ફેમિલી આ લેન્ડ આ ભાગ ઉપર કલ્ટિવેશન કરશે. સો એક જ લેન્ડની ઉપર એક જગ્યાએ તરબૂજ ઉગતું હશે તો એક જગ્યાએ વીટ ઉગતું હશે તો એક જ જગ્યાએ ઓલું ઉગતું હશે. સો યુ કેન અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ, રાઈટ? લેટ અસ સે ઇફ this is the ground. Okay, I will divide the grounds into different parts. અને આ પાર્ટ મારી ફેમિલી માટે, આ પાર્ટ પુષ્ટિની ફેમિલી માટે, આ પાર્ટ નિષ્ઠાની ફેમિલી માટે, આ પાર્ટ દીપાલીબાની ફેમિલી માટે. સો ગેટિંગ ઇટ, એક જ લેન્ડની અંદર there is division and each person will be growing different things. Okay, they live a very backward life. They live a very backward life. They do not want to come in contact with modern people. They are scared of coming in contact with modern people. Especially these include Moria of Batsar and Bondo and Jung of Orissa. Okay, these are the tribes which belong to the first division. Second division, this divisions include those tribes who live in groups in forest and hills and are in less contact with outside people. So these people, they live in forest or they live in jungles and they do not want to be in contact with common people. Third division, tribal of these divisions are predominant in number. Changes are occurring in their culture, with some of them parting with their culture and moving towards deviant behavior. So these there are many tribes which are included in this area and they are moving towards change and they are changing their behavior. Okay, they are adopting modern life, they are leaving their traditional life and adopting modern life. And also they show very deviant behavior. Deviant behavior એટલે criminal behavior. Okay, એવો behavior જે society માટે acceptable નથી. So such behavior is shown by these people. Fourth division, this includes landlords like Bhil, Sardar, Murias, etc. They are economically prosperous people. Okay, landlords એટલે જમીનદાર, જે લોકો જમીનના હકદાર છે. So fourth division ઈ છે જે જમીનના હકદાર છે અને જમીન એ લોકોના નામે છે and they are very rich. Now the next classification is based on economic એટલે money wise. Okay, some anthropologists have classified tribes economically in terms of their involvement in hunting, agriculture, animal husbandry, factories, industries, etc. Who are anthropologists? Anthropologists are people who study different tribes. Okay, so they have classified tribes on based of their economy. એટલે શું job એ લોકો કરે છે કે શું economic activity કરે છે. For example, it is divided into tribes who hunt એટલે શિકાર, tribes who do agriculture, tribes who do animal husbandry એટલે ગાય, કબૂતર, બતક, ચિકન આ બધું એ લોકો પાળશે, પછી એનું દૂધ, એના ઈંડા, એનું મીટ એ બધું વેચશે. દેટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ એનિમલ હસબન્ડરી. ઓકે, ફેક્ટરીઝમાં કામ કરતા, ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝમાં કામ કરતા, એક્સેટ્રા. લિંગ્વિસ્ટિક, યુ ઓલ નો લિંગ્વિસ્ટિક મીન્સ લેંગ્વેજ. Linguistically, all tribes of India are classified into 3 important languages. Okay, we divide the tribes in India based on 3 different language groups which are there in India. The first is Austric language family. Okay, these include Kol, Munda, Khasi dialects of tribal of eastern India which are included in Austro-Asiatic language family. Austro એટલે Australian અને Asiatic એટલે Asian. So the people especially who belong to Kol, Munda, Khasi એટલે નોર્થ ઇસ્ટની જે મેજર ટ્રાઇબ્સ છે એ લોકો આ ફેમિલીમાં આવે છે. કઈ ફેમિલીમાં? ઓસ્ટ્રિક લેંગ્વેજ ફેમિલી. વાય? because they belong to a family or they belong to a group of Austro-Asiatic. Austro એટલે Australian and Asiatic એટલે Asian. So they are a mix of Australian and Asians who are staying in India. Next is Dravidian language family. These comprises of Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam languages. Gond tribes residing in Andhra Pradesh, Kadar, Isalan, Chachun, Toda tribes of South are included in this family. Basically all the tribes which are in the South region are included in the family. Why? Because these tribes mainly speak Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, all these languages they speak. Now the third one is Sino-Tibetan language family. These includes Tibeto-Burman and Siami Chinese languages. So what is it? Tibeto-Burman. Tibeto એટલે Tibet area અને Burman એટલે present time Myanmar was earlier called Burma. Okay, Myanmar is a country which is next to India. So Tibet અને Myanmar ની mixed language જે બોલતા હોય કે Chinese language જે બોલતા હોય are included in Sino-Tibetan family. Okay, and these tribals reside in Darjeeling and Himalaya speak this language. Darjeeling અને Himalaya એટલે ઉપરનો region, right? જે જગ્યાએથી ટિબેટ અને ચાઇના આપણેથી ક્લોઝ છે, રાઈટ? સો that language these people speak. Now the sixth type of classification is the racial elements. Classification of tribals by racial elements include physical features like head, nose, compactness of skull, blood group, etc. So next other classification is how do we classify the tribes? Based on their height, based on their physique, based on their hair, color of their skin. Okay, eye no texture, eye no shape, skin no color. Okay, so based on those things we classify tribes.